Let me show you the fastest way to code a plugin that blew my mind. Before I show you, hack the algorithm by smashing the like button. Alright, open Visual Studio. Go to extension. Install the plugin named Blackbox. So here it is. Install. Once it is done, yep, here you go. So now I want to connect MongoDB with nodejs. So connect MongoDB in nodejs. Boom. So here is the code to connect MongoDB in nodejs. If you are a sysadmin and you need to delete log files older than 6 days, 7 days, so delete old log files in bash. So this will generate you the bash script for it. Voila. So here is the bash script to delete old files. And finally adding two numbers in Python. Two numbers in Python. So here you go, Python script for adding two numbers. One final disclaimer, if you are beginning to learn programming, just don't use this plugin, you will not get anywhere.